Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add typewriter effect to your text on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone and I'm going to create new post on TikTok. Then I'm gonna add text to the post. I'm going to click on this plus icon and then I'm gonna post picture from my gallery. For example, I'm going to select picture from this album. I'm going to choose this picture and I'm gonna click on next. Okay, I'm going to add text to this post guys. I'm gonna go to the editing and I'm going to select text. And for instance, I'm going to add city lights like this. And before we add the effect, I'm going to change the font of my text. Here you'll be able to get a lot of fonts for your text. And I'm going to select this font. I'm going to choose this one. Okay. And I'm going to make it bigger. Alright, and I'm going to show you how we can add the typewriter animation or typewriter effect to this text. We can click on edit and then we can click on this icon to add animation to our text. Okay, and here you will get a lot of animations for your text, and since we want to add the typewriter animation, we can select this option. Okay, then now the typewriter animation or the typewriter effect has been added to my text. And then don't forget to click on the check mark. Okay, and I'm going to play it guys. This is how the typewriter animation looks like. Okay, then you can continue the editing before you post this video to the TikTok. And then I'm going to add another text like this. Okay, and then once you're ready to post your TikTok post, you just need to click on next and then you can add description for your post, then you can click on post. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add typewriter effect to your text on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.